and welcome to this video on the installation and configuration of the File Manager Service Provider for z/OS Connect. The File Manager Service Provider for z/OS Connect works in conjunction with IBM's z/OS Connect to facilitate REST API access to Z data. This video assumes a basic understanding of File Manager, z/OS Connect and associated tooling. Installation and configuration can be described in four general topics: prerequisites, installation and configuration on Z, installation and configuration off Z, and installation verification. Let's start with prerequisites. The File Manager Service Provider for z/OS Connect prereqs File Manager for z/OS version 14. The service provider is bundled with File Manager version 14 with APAR PI 97118 applied. Also prereqed is Application Delivery Foundation for Z Systems Common Components version 1.8 with APAR PI 97749 applied. ADF-Z Common Components is shipped with File Manager for z/OS and must be installed and configured as a prerequisite. And lastly, the service provider prereqs IBM z/OS Connect Enterprise Edition version 3. IBM z/OS Connect must be installed and configured prior to installing and configuring the File Manager service provider. Now let's look at installation and configuration on Z. The File Manager service provider for z/OS Connect is shipped with the File Manager host product as an archive in member FMN-ZCE of the SFMN SAM1 dataset. The archive can be expanded using the Unix System Services PAX command. The contents of the archive include the File Manager Build Toolkit plugin, the Service Provider Feature Archive, a File Manager Properties file used during installation, and a generic service archive for creating z/OS Connect APIs. When working in the Unix System Services environment, you need to ensure your shell has a z/OS Connect compatible version of Java in the path, as well as the z/OS Connect install /bin directory. Before we install the service provider, we can choose the product install directory. By default, the provider is installed into /var/FileManager. If you prefer a different install directory, you can change the File Manager properties file and the product install assignment to your preferred location. Note that the location must be fully qualified, that is, begin with a /. The properties file must then be copied to the z/OS Connect extensions directory. We can now install the service provider into the z/OS Connect environment using the install utility command available in the z/OS Connect install /bin directory. The install utility command identifies the feature archive and the target location for the install. Check that the version number in the command matches the name of the .esa file in the PAX archive. Our next step is to change the server XML of the z/OS Connect Liberty server. The server XML is located in /var/z/OS Connect/servers directory under the name of your server. We need to make two changes to the server XML. Firstly, we need to add a feature entry in the Feature Manager element. The feature name is FileManager:/FMProvider-2.0. Secondly, we need to add a default File Manager connection element to identify the port number of a running ADF-Z Common Component server, and a maximum timeout value for File Manager sessions. The ADF-Z Common Component is shipped with the File Manager product, and a Common Component server must be running for the service provider to start File Manager sessions. The maximum timeout value represents the maximum time a File Manager session will keep running without activity. API callers can set their own timeouts, but cannot exceed the maximum. Note that customers who generate their own SAR files using the File Manager Build Toolkit plugin can have additional connection elements in the server XML. Each connection element relates to a con ID in a SAR file. Consequently, different service archives or groups of archives can have their own particular connection configurations. Lastly, the ADF-Z Common Component Server, IPv-serve, requires an additional configuration element. For the server to process requests from the File Manager service provider, the IPv-serve config.dd requires rest equals yes under the config equals fm stanza. At this point, we can restart the z/OS Connect and Common Component servers, and our installation on Z is complete. Now let's look at installation and configuration off Z. z/OS Connect Enterprise Edition provides tooling to create APIs that use the File Manager service provider. During API creation, a service archive or SAR file is associated with the API that identifies the target service provider. The File Manager Service Archive and the File Manager ZOS Connect Build Toolkit plugin are provided for this purpose. The Service Archive, fmservice.sar, is a ready-to-use SAR file that can be associated with ZOS Connect APIs during API creation. It provides a generic mapping of file data to a prescribed response format, that is, one format for all data sources supported. The ZOS Connect API editor runs off Z in an Eclipse environment. If you plan to use the provided service archive, it must be copied to relevant Eclipse environments or to a network folder where relevant environments can access the service archive. The archive should be copied in binary mode. The File Manager Build Toolkit plugin is designed to work in conjunction with the ZOS Connect Build Toolkit ZCon BT. ZCon BT is shipped with the ZOS Connect host product. The File Manager plugin can be used to create your own SAR files that map response data to a specific File Manager template or copybook. If you plan to use the plugin, it must be copied to your ZCon BT environment, which can be Windows, Linux, or ZOS. Whichever environment you choose, the provided plugin.jar file must be copied to the ZCon BT/plugins directory in binary mode. In addition, you must edit the plugin.properties file in the ZCon BT/lib directory and add an entry where file manager equals com.hcl.zosconnect.buildtoolkit.filemanager.filemanager/SAR-generator. Once you have saved the plugin.properties file, you can start using ZCon BT to create your SAR files. However, if your ADFZ Common Components server is configured to require SSL or TLS, you may need to export your server's CA certificate and import it into the trust store of your ZCon BT environment. By default, the File Manager plugin uses the default trust store of your Java environment, specifically $java_home/jre/lib/security/CA certs. You must import all relevant CA certificates into this store. Lastly, we can verify the installation. We can verify that the ZOS Connect server has loaded the feature by looking for message CWWKF0012I in the ZOS Connect Starter Task job output. You can expect to see the FM Provider-2.0 feature listed in the message. In addition, you can send a REST request to your ZOS Connect server using a web browser or a REST tool such as Postman. The URL is your ZOS Connect server IP address and port, appended with /ZOS Connect/services/FM service, and a query parameter of action equals invoke. The REST method must be put, and the request will require a HTTP content type header of application/JSON. Finally, the HTTP body is a JSON object containing action::verify. When you run this request, you can expect back a HTTP status code of 200. This brings us to the end of our demonstration and this video. Thank you again for your interest in the File Manager service provider for ZOS Connect.